Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at Salt Lake City for SC12. We're at the Aeon Computing booth. I'm here with Doug Johnson, co-founder of Aeon Computing. So Doug, let's just start at the beginning. Who is Aeon Computing and who do you help?
Who do we help? Well, who we are and who do we help. So who we are a high-performance computing solution provider with a strong focus in Lustre. And really what it comes down to, there's a wrong way and a right way to do Lustre. There's a lot of wrong ways to do Lustre. So with that, we try to really design an entire solution around the applications, code, you name it, user environment, and basically listen to the customer and do that in a very shoulder-to-shoulder format. What I mean by that is very open kimono. There's nothing to hide. We work with customers very openly, and at the end of the day, everyone's happy, and what we call mutually beneficial business.
Okay.
That's it in a nutshell.
Okay. So you guys won a Best of Show award today, and this was a project with SDSC, the Oasis system. Can you tell us about that?
So Data Oasis is a 4 petabyte Lustre file system, and that system serves data to exceed class clusters and some clusters on campus that are institutional-wide system. So you have Gordon, which we've all heard about that. We have Trestles, which is a little bit older system, and there's a few other systems there, Data Oasis. Now what it is, we built the entire I/O architecture in terms of the OSS, the OSTs, and the specification on that is it's 4 petabytes and it's 100 gigabytes per second. So what we did is we won a Reader's Choice Award on that system, and because it is really a different type of deploying a Lustre architecture.
So is this spinning Rust or Flash or a mix or like Gordon, or what is it?
It's a little combination of both. Primarily the 4 petabyte is spinning Rust, and that's really the only way to get there without spending a ton of money. But it's spinning. It's rotating SAS drives. Okay, so it involves 64 OSS, OST combinations, and it's what our product's called the Clips SL. And then we also use flash devices for SSDs for bootable devices as well as file system caching.
So what does Lustre bring to the table in that kind of setup?
Parallel I/O. There's nothing better out there that can do it. So when you've got a lot of hungry supercomputers, you've got to feed them data. So Lustre's the only one that can really do that.
Okay, so you've got a flash-based supercomputer like Gordon. We're talking lots of I/O. What comes after that? What's the next generation of Oasis, Data Oasis?
So the next generation Data Oasis is a system here that we've deployed here at the show, or we're showing. And what it is employing the latest architecture in PCIe Gen 3, some new RAID controllers, as well as some new SAS drives. And what we've done is, with a lot of dial turning, in terms of tuning, we've increased the data rates from the previous generation, the SGPD benchmark data from the I/O device itself, from the single OSS, from 3.5 gigabytes per second, depending on the thread weight, all the way up from 5 to 7 gigabytes per second per OSS. So a substantial increase in performance.
And scaling to, who knows, huh?
Scaling as far as Lustre can scale.